Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yashwant's Kitchen. I am your Yashwant. Today we are going to make green grass cooler. This green grass cooler is not another juice, but it also has lot of medicinal values. Those who want to reduce their weight can try this juice for a month and see the result by themselves. Before we move on to the recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yashwant's Kitchen. Let's start. To make green grass cooler, we need Bermuda grass, which is also known as Arugampul in Tamil, basil seeds, lemon juice and honey. Cut the Bermuda grass into small pieces. Grind it with the help of water. Take a serving glass, add basil seeds, lemon juice, honey, a pinch of salt and pour the juice into it. Mix it well. I'm going to taste it. It is tasting like any other juice and definitely not like a medicine. Please serve this drink to your kids at least once in a week. I hope you enjoyed my green cooler. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yashwant.